Hi dear friends, this is your calendar is and welcome to another session of Jordan series. Today we are going to discuss about the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. So why this is important for Jordan? Because recently India hit out at the Organization of Islamic Cooperation for making factually incorrect and unwarranted reference to Jammu and Kashmir in the 47th session of the OIC Council of Foreign Ministers. So this topic is also very important for us because in general studies too, under international relations, a dedicated topic is there. So now let's check what is actually the OIC. So it is the world second largest intergovernmental organization after the UN with a membership of 57 states. So it was established upon a decision on the historical summit which took place in Morocco on 1969. So the OIC was officially founded in 1972. So it is headquartered in Saudi Arabia. Its official languages are Arabic, English and French. And also you should have an idea about that India is not a member of OIC. Now let's check the objective of OIC. So objective of Organization of Islamic Cooperation is to safeguard and protect the interest of the Muslim world in the spirit of promoting international peace and harmony among various people of the world. So OIC has reserved membership for Muslim majority countries, but Russia, Thailand and a couple of other small countries have observer status. Now let's check about the relationship between India and the OIC. So at the 45th session of the Foreign Ministers Summit in 2018, Bangladesh suggested that India, where more than 10% of the world Muslim population, should be given observer status, but Pakistan opposed the proposal. But in 2019, India participated in OIC Foreign Ministers meeting as a guest of honor. So this first time invitation was seen as diplomatic victory for India, especially at a time of tensions with Pakistan following the Pulwama attack. So individually, India has good relations with almost all members nations. Also, the ties with the UAE and Saudi Arabia especially have looked up significantly in recent years. Now let's check the issues associated with India and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. So in the recently in the 47th session of OIC, the OIC criticized about the decision of the Indian government on 5th August 2019, that is about the revocation of Article 370. But the Ministry of External Affairs hinted at the Pakistan and said that OIC is being used by Pakistan for its campaign against India. So this is a recent issue. So for better understanding, let's go to some history. So OIC generally supportive of Pakistan's stand on Kashmir and has issued statement criticizing the alleged Indian atrocities in the Kashmir. But also the last year India revoked Article 370 in Kashmir. Pakistan that time lobbied with the OIC against this move, and Saudi Arabia and UAE, both the top leaders among the Muslim countries, issued particular statements, but that were not as critical of India as Pakistan had hoped. So over the last 1 year, Pakistan has tried to raise sentiment among the Islamic countries, and the result is that the Turkey and Malaysia publicly criticized India. And also in 2019, in Mecca summit as well, the OIC criticized the alleged Indian atrocities in the state. So India maintaining a good relationship between the most of the nations in the OIC, but India's relations with OIC as a organization is not good, mainly due to the Pakistan, who have more voice compared to India. And also we know that Pakistan is the founding member of OIC. So the tensions and issues relating with OIC is still growing, but the concern is it gradually will affect the relationship between India and the other nations in the OIC. So this is for today to Jordan, and before going to an end, let's look into the model question. So the question is, how the Jammu and Kashmir issue affect the relationship between India and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, and discuss about the relevance of Organization of Islamic Cooperation for India. So here we can start the answer with the explanation of what is actually OIC and then discuss the issue in the body part. So please try to write an answer based on this question and ensure that you are okay with this topic. So please keep supporting us. Thanks for watching.